sponsor ko, hindi kayo uuwing lumaan. Alright, so huwag na natin patumpik-tumpik pa. Boom! Karakaraka. Alright, for our best in talent, will be awarded by Miss Ram Domingo and some of our organizers. Our best in talent goes to candidate number 3. Aking tatawagin ay ang ating second runner-up. And I would like to call on one of our judges, na si Judge Jonathan Inay Aderes, and some of the organizers to please come up here on the stage.
Girls Organic number.
Our second runner-up will receive 3,000
passes.
Go, Kuya Johnson.
Our second runner-up goes to Gary number. No other than Gary number 6. The jeepney driver.
Ang nanalo, ang ating second runner-up, ang isang jeepney driver.
Oo, di ba? Ay, yung cash prize niya po.
Mother Raquel.
Ayan.
Runner-up to be awarded by one of our judges sa ating inampalan na si Nay Amor Lopez and some from the organizer.
Okay. To be awarded by